Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to set up the Visual Studio Code in Mac environment. Come on, let's dive into the course. Go to the browser and select Visual Studio Code. So you will get the first result. Here you can choose which operating system you are using. So you can see the macOS, Windows and Linux. So currently I am using macOS. So download the macOS Universal. Saved it in the folder. So after downloaded the Visual Studio Code file, open it. You can see the zip file and you need to extract it. After extraction, you will get the Visual Studio Code installation file. You just click on and drag it into the application folder. Now the Visual Studio Code is installed in Mac system and you can see it in the Finder. Click on it and the Visual Studio Code will be open. Click on open. So after Visual Studio Code is open, you just see the welcome screen. Just ignore the welcome screen and we need to install live server. So click on extension and search for live server. So you will see the first result, live server. Click on it and install that live server extension. So once installation is done, so our Visual Studio Code is ready for our JavaScript environment. Hi, hope you like this video. See you on next lesson. Bye.